Are you confused between Klipsch RP-600M and Klipsch RP-600M II bookshelf speakers? Today, I'm doing a head-to-head comparison between these two Klipsch Reference Premier bookshelf speakers. These two models are among the most talked about in the audio world, and I'll break down their specs, sound quality, and where each one shines. Whether you're building a home theater or upgrading your music setup, this video will help you decide which speaker deserves a spot in your room. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more audio tips and reviews. Drop a comment below to let me know which one you'd pick, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals on these speakers. The Klipsch RP-600M Reference Premier bookshelf speakers are a two-way passive bass reflex design featuring a 1-inch Tractrix horn tweeter and a 6.5-inch cerametallic woofer. They deliver a frequency response of 45 Hz to 25 kHz, a sensitivity of 96 decibels, and an impedance of 8 ohms with power handling up to 100 watts, measuring 15.7 by 7.9 by 11.8 inches and weighing 16 pounds. They are compact, yet powerful. What I love most about the RP-600M is its lively, dynamic sound that punches well above its price point. The high sensitivity makes them easy to drive even with modest amplifiers, and the horn-loaded tweeter ensures crisp highs without harshness. They excel at filling medium-sized rooms with clarity and energy, making them a favorite for both music and home theater setups. The Klipsch RP-600M II Reference Premier bookshelf speakers build on that foundation with upgraded technology. They feature a 1-inch hybrid Tractrix horn tweeter paired with a 6.5-inch cerametallic cone woofer. The frequency response is slightly wider at 44 Hz to 25 kHz, with sensitivity rated at 94.5 decibels. They maintain the same 8-ohm impedance and 100 watts RMS power handling, but weigh slightly more at 18.1 pounds and measure 15.8 by 8 by 13 inches. What stands out most about the RP-600M II is the refinement in sound. The larger horn and vented tweeter design provides smoother high-frequency dispersion, while the updated woofer delivers tighter bass. The result is a more balanced, less forward presentation that audiophiles will appreciate for long listening sessions. When comparing the two head-to-head, the RP-600M wins in efficiency and raw energy. Its higher sensitivity makes it more forgiving with lower-powered amps, and its lively character is perfect for rock, pop, and movies where impact matters. On the other hand, the RP-600M II wins in refinement and accuracy. It offers smoother treble, slightly deeper bass, and a more neutral tonal balance, making it ideal for jazz, classical, and critical listening. The RP-600M feels like the fun, energetic performer, while the RP-600M II is the polished, mature upgrade. In short, the RP-600M is the better choice for those who want excitement and efficiency, while the RP-600M II is the better choice for those who value refinement and balance. And that's my review of the Klipsch RP-600M versus the RP-600M II Reference Premier bookshelf speakers. Both bring incredible sound to the table, but the choice really comes down to whether you want the raw energy of the RP-600M or the refined balance of the RP-600M II. Either way, you can't go wrong. Before you head out, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips, reviews, and audio breakdowns. Drop a comment below to let me know which one you'd choose, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals on these speakers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.